Hi everyone, welcome to this video series. My name is Evan, and I'm learning to become an indie game developer. What you're seeing here isn't a finished game, it's a work in progress, a result of learning, testing, and building step by step. Today there are so many amazing 2D action games out there. Smooth combat, intense boss fights, and strong visual styles can easily pull us into their worlds. And every time I play games like these, I can't help but wonder, what would it feel like to create something like this myself? That's why I decided to start this series. I'm not here as a teacher, but as a learning partner. We'll think together about why certain designs are chosen, whether there are better solutions, and what problems actually appear during development. Even if you're a complete beginner and with no experience in Unity or C at all, you're absolutely welcome here. Everything will be explained gradually through real examples. I've planned a clear learning path for this series. Starting from Unity basics, moving on to character control, animations, combat systems, and eventually building a complete 2D action game framework. Once the series is complete, you'll be able to jump directly to the parts you're interested in. In today's episode, we won't jump straight into gameplay logic. Instead, we'll focus on preparing our development environment, installing UnityHub, the UnityEditor, and setting up a script editor. This will be the foundation for everything that comes next. If you're ready, let's start by setting things up and begin this game development journey together. Based on the checklist, the first step is to install UnityHub. Open your web browser on your computer. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Type Unity into the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, open the official Unity website. In the center of the page, you'll see a Download button. Click on it. After a short moment, you'll see download options for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. I'm using Windows, so I'll select the Windows version here. After being redirected to the download page, the browser will usually start downloading automatically. If the download doesn't start, you can click Here to manually begin the download. After the installation is complete, open UnityHub and you should see an interface like this. If you don't have a Unity ID, you can click Create Account here to create one. You can sign up using your email address or with a Google account, and other available options. Once your account is created, or if you already have a Unity ID, click Sign In to log in. As you can see, this is the main interface of UnityHub. The first thing we need to do is add a license. If you already have one, you can skip this step. In my case, I've already added a license, but you can click Add License here. Since we are working as indie developers, choose Get a free personal license. After obtaining the license, open the Settings panel. Here you can see the default project save location. You can change this path based on your own preference. Below that is the installation and download location for the Unity Editor. Next are the options for the software's appearance and language, which you can customize according to your preference. Finally, there are settings for notifications and privacy. For now, you can safely keep these at their default values. Next, we need to download the Unity Editor. Before recording this video, I actually tried downloading it in advance. However, things didn't go very smoothly. As you can see in the video, the download failed and an error message appeared indicating a verification error. After checking several related websites, I wasn't able to find a reliable solution to fix this issue. But don't worry, we can download the Unity Editor manually from the official website. Open the download page and select Archive. Click the link here. This will take us to the Unity Download Archive page. From here, we can choose the version we want to download. In this series, I'll be using this version, and all future demonstrations will be based on this version. Click See All, and then select the download link that matches your operating system. Once the download is complete, start the installation. For the installation path, I recommend using the same directory that we set in UnityHub, so everything stays organized and easy to manage. After the installation finishes, let's go back to UnityHub. Go to the Installs page, click Locate, then navigate to the folder where you installed the UnityEditor. Select this file. All right, as you can see, the UnityEditor has been successfully added and installed. Finally, let's download the script editor. If you already have one you like, you can skip this step. Open your browser and go to the Visual Studio website. Choose the community version. It's free. Note that this is only the official installer. You'll need to download the editor after launching it. All right, stay sharp. We're almost done with the setup. There are 3 versions here. Select Community and click Install. Check these 2 options. Keep the default settings, then choose your language. Set the install location based on your computer. Finally, click Install. All right, if you've made it this far, congratulations. Our game development journey officially begins here. In the videos ahead, I'll be learning and building together with you, step by step, pushing this project forward. If you have different thoughts about anything in this video, or if you notice something I didn't do quite right, feel free to leave a comment and join the discussion. Thank you for watching. I'm Evan, and I'll see you in the next video.